How to turn off or on people you may know notifications on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off people you may know notifications. Easy and quick on your TikTok. First thing, go to your app. Now all you need to do is once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down and you're gonna find push notifications, click on it. Now scroll down and on the second before the last option you're gonna find people you may know. Turn off or on to allow TikTok to send you notifications about people you may know from your contact, Facebook friends and more. If you don't want this option, just turn it off or turn on. So this is it guys, so easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.